show off, but if I have to blow off your head with a mag full of lead, 4 words are said, then one mic will have to shed light on the situation so you don't forget what are the last 2 letters of the alphabet. Yet when I'm displaying and saying intelligent rhyme, the time is perfect for me to go for mine. Swallow, digest it, now I have to reel ya, cut and reveal ya, just to show your weakness. Even if I have to destroy your whole body system, it will be worth it to make the crowd listen as I kill and build and drill lyrics to skill to show that Anthony Hill ain't the average run of the mill. My will to live gives me extreme power. My rhymes tower, yours are the size of a flower. Or better yet, a grain of sand. Let me expand as I take command. I'm in control.
Been down with the scene ever since 13. Everybody knows the king was the first to bring a devastating rap to the massive crowd. No heckling, boos, or hissing aloud. Cause when the king is on the mic, it's a sure enough treat. And I can tell that you approve by the tap of your feet, or by the bopping of your head, moving of your torso. Yo, I'm the king of chillin', you just ought to know. But there's no doubt in the mind, I'm the one to provide a kickin' live party while the others have died. Cause rhymes like this allow me to exist at the top of the list of things you can't resist. So, you know the story and you've heard the facts. So plain as day and clear as color Kodak. I'm the king of chill, top notch on the rack. And if you don't agree to that, get off that crack. So K-Swift, without further delay, come on in, get on the mic and hump the night. Your hands cold clapping with my face full laughing. Everybody jamming on the suckers cold snapping. Do it to simplicity, only done in ecstasy. Fellas want the fresh, while the girlies want the best of me. I don't mean to say that I'm the best or the greatest. Only when we screw up, they come and try to rate us. Alliance in the back, in the group for solo. I scored a session while they scored the solo. Girls are 1 o'clock them, I try to knock them. The breakers try to rip, but my 45 stops them. Hey yo, Skill, I'm about to jet. Get on the mic, ready and set. The beat is tough, so get your ears tuned in, cause you will never hear a DJ rhyme like this again. It's a rhyme seldom heard, I rarely won this one. Only say it to the DJs who will call my sons. Like a son, you got to learn to abide and obey, cause I'm giving all the orders, nothing for you to say. Hand me your 12, take your mix and shred it piece by piece, cause your DJ days are over, your career will see. I'm super nice, top notch, and there ain't no question. And when I burn DJs, I make them lose their complexion. I leave you in an awesome state of total rejection. I never make mistakes on what they call perfection. Outstanding, outspoken, always incredible. Attempt to get live and it will be regrettable. Yes, I come pay tribute to Shakila, cause she love me more than born, a sister love me, and I love her like no other before. I say I spend a lot of time with the queen, I protect all the sister close to me, take her deeper into that. Say sister, knowledge God, that of queens, your existence, you know, hooker, you know, slut, you know, bitch, and she listens, you're the mother civilization. I hate mistakes that disrespect her, they often disrespect you when they find they cannot sex you. I'm wondering what are they trying without knowledge of themselves. Shakila civilized, she despised the drugs herself. Shakila's deep black woman, and she loves me like to death. These savages try sweating, culture, tell them I say this.
Wake up from all those savage dreams, thinking that she's yours, not mine. Sending earrings and those silly chains, it's really just a waste of time. The queen is mine. Wake up, the wise black queen is mine. She's mine, she's mine. Ease off.
This one got the nature to Shakila, cause she need me more than one sister need me, and I need her like no other before. I tell you, strong be the vibe that combines us together. Lots of love, trust, and truth, and understanding is forever. Not biting no one's fruit, and hope like hell they don't bite mine. Hey, perfection will be ignorant, love's not blind, boy. I see clearly, daily, maybe crazy about you. She's all this, she's all that, and it gets straight to by the hour. Not the acts of separation, though that's one of woman's powers. Black man's guide to understanding, the black woman's full of flowers. Bruce showers be the greatest of all showers ever done. Reach the greatest of a song, the bottom of her heart. Shakila's deep black woman, and she loves me like to say this?
Wake up from all those savage dreams, thinking that is yours, not mine. Spending earrings and those silly chains, it's really just a waste of time. The queen is mine. Look up, the white black queen is mine. She's mine. She's mine.
Here's a little something about a nigga like me. Never should have been let out the penitentiary. Ice Cube will like to say that I'm a crazy motherfucker from around the way. Since I was a youth, I smoked weed out. Now I'm the motherfucker that you read about, taking a life or two. That's what the hell I do. You don't like how I'm living? Well, fuck you. This is a gang, and I'm in it. My man Dre will fuck you up in a minute with a right, left, you're toothless. And then you say, God damn, they ruthless. Everywhere we go, they say, damn. NWA's fucking up the program. And then you realize we don't care. We don't just say no. We're too busy saying yeah. About drinking straight out the 8 bottle. Do I look like a motherfucking role model to a kid looking up to me? Life ain't nothing but bitches and money. Cause I'm the type of nigga that's built to last. If you fuck with me, I put my foot in your ass. See, I don't give a fuck cause I keep belling. Yo, what the fuck are they yelling?
A new format, complete with the tool. Even though I transform, I stay cool for me to get taken. How would you figure it? Right off the back, if you thought you would be ignorant, or just stupid, or cold dumb. I play lead vocals, Pooh plays drums, Keith does cuts, suckers get torn, but I gotta break. Here comes the horns.
Number one.
To make your heart shiver. I know you remember back when it used to wear silver, but I gave it a talk. Cause I was told that you're not a real D-boy without real gold. So I went downtown to see how much is the 30-inch dookie. It's quite a bit of money for a big gold chain. Threw him $1,000, then he had me some change, and now I'm cool. In other words, I got it going. Swing to the side while I'm showing a professional skill that I put together with perfection. I gotta clear my throat, punch in a horn section.
Number one. Not to rule, not to preach. Title versatility. Ability. Why I'm supreme, still with me. On his teaching versatility.
my room with my smoker's jacket on. The fireplace is burning and the
girlie is wrong. Time to make my move, so gently I kiss her, whisper in her ear, and tell her that I miss her. She might try to pop that boyfriend jump, but I don't really care because I know he's a punk. I'll stop him like a roach if he tries to approach. He can't get close 'cause I'm the one who wrote the book of romance. So come on, take a chance. You don't need a long look, all you need is a glance. If you wanna get warm, in my arms you belong. You have a problem, have a solve, nothing can go wrong. When overweight lovers in the house, the overweight lovers in the house, the overweight lovers in the house, the overweight lovers in the house. You said I couldn't do it, then it got done. And after you and I did it, you said it was fun. Now every day of your life you wanna be with me. When you got time to spend, you spend time with Heavy D. I noticed that you hold me gentle as a rose. I'm rough and tough, baby, but then I suppose that I had to be held in order to start holding. I think I got you hit, so let's start rolling. The overweight lovers in the house, the overweight lovers in the house, the overweight lovers in the house, the overweight lovers in the house.
Hey yo, tell me what you know about this and the Tony Rock Show. I contact MCs so they can get with me, get them in a battle and claim another victory. You say people in the South can't go off. To rhyme like this, you gotta be from up north. That's a wrong attitude, but used to take. That's what's causing us rappers not here to break. Super dope rappers down south got them super hyped in Atlanta, ghetto style at the bottom. Atlanta, silky smooth, ghetto style in Miami, got that boom. So no matter what you do, boy, you can't ruin it. So keep talking, we still doing it, doing it, doing it, doing it. You've been talking this style for years, boy. We still doing it, doing it, doing it. You say the bass hurt your ears, we still doing it, doing it, doing it. You say the style of rap is too fast, we still doing it. 6 years ago, you said it went last, we still doing it.